Okay. Yeah. So everyone can hear me. So I said that Z is the complex number A plus IB, then the conjugate, which is represented by Z bar, should be A minus IB, right? Because according to the definition, Z plus Z bar should give me real number. So add them, we will get 2A, yes or no? So A is equal to Z plus Z bar by 2. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes. Now in same way, the product Z and Z bar should give me real value. So A plus IB, A plus IB into A minus IB. Multiply, everyone, multiply A plus B into A minus B. What will the answer? What will be the answer? Tell me. A square minus B square. Yes or no? Yes or no? It should be A square minus B square. So we will solve it. A square B, A square minus B square. But here B is IB whole square. Okay. Now IB square is nothing but A square plus. Why I'm saying plus? What will be the value of minus, sorry, I square? Tell me. What will be the value of I square? Minus 1. We just saw that. Yes or no? The value of I square is minus 1. And minus into minus, plus. Got it? Minus into minus, plus. So it will be plus B square. Anyone remember what is this value? Tell me. Do anyone remember what is this value? Isn't it mod of Z, which is magnitude of Z, a whole square? Tell me. Isn't it this number? Yes or no? Because root of A square plus B square is mod of Z, which is the value. So everyone understood everything till this point. We studied what is complex number, what is real part, imaginary part, how to add two numbers, what is the conjugate of a complex number, and product of number and its conjugate. Now, I hope everyone know how to multiply, right? Because multiplication will follow the same rule. There's no other hidden methods. Okay. For example, if I'm giving you x plus 2y, x plus 2y into x minus y, how you will multiply? This into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. That's how you will multiply. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes? No. That's how you will multiply. That's the basic of multiplication. Doesn't matter what number is. That's how we multiply. In the same way, if I'm saying you that I'm having a plus ib. Yes, very good. A plus ib into a plus ib into c plus id. C plus id. What we will do? We'll multiply a into c, ac, right? A into id plus I into AD. Yes or no? Tell me step by step. Now IB into C plus I into BC. Yes or no? Right? Now IB into ID. So plus I square, I into I square, BD. Anyone have any doubt till this step? Tell me. Anyone have any doubt till this step? I just multiplied it normally that we have used till now. Okay, everyone is getting? Just raise your hand. I'll be satisfied that you guys are learning something. And are you feeling it that this is difficult? Just let me know. Are you feeling that this is difficult? Just message me. I'm trying to explain with the concept that you have already studied, right? There's no any extra concept that I have taught till now, right? I related with either complex number, sorry, either vectors or irrational number or normal multiplication. Okay, now this I can write like this: AC. Now I square is nothing but minus 1, right? So BD. Yes or no? Right? Plus I will be common from these two terms. It will be AD plus BC. Plus BC. Yes or no? So just think about this. Product of two complex number is also giving you a complex number. Yes or no? Right? So closure property is followed or not? Closure property, right, is followed. है ना? Got it? Right? Okay. So now you studied that how we can multiply two complex numbers. So all the property that is being followed by a rational number will be followed by a complex number. Got it? Right, everyone? I hope that everyone remember this. Okay? Okay. Now we will try to solve some basic problems. Okay? We'll try to form some basic problems. Division, same as division. Tell me, if I'm saying, giving you this problem, 3 minus root 2 by 3 plus root 2. Tell me, right? What you will do? Just think about this. What you will do? Will you rationalize? Yes or no? Will you rationalize? Yes? Okay. Will you rationalize numerator or denominator? Just think about this. You will rationalize numerator or denominator. Denominator. Yes, because division of irrational number is not possible. In the same way, division of complex number is not possible. That's why you have to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so if I'm writing A plus IB plus IB divided by C plus ID, right? Then I have to rationalize this denominator, and rationalizing means multiplying by conjugate. C minus ID, C minus ID, thereby C minus ID. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Got it? Same as irrational number. No difference. Everything is same. Okay? Everyone is getting this? Tell me. Everyone is getting this? Okay. We'll try to learn with actual problems. Okay. Then we studied power of iota. है ना? That I to power 0, 1, I to power 1, I square minus 1, I cube minus I to power 4, 1, then I to power 5, again I, right? Because it will be I to power 4 into I. So if you see this, power of iota, it will repeat after every 4 multiple. Yes or no? Right? It will repeat after every 4 multiple, which means I to power 4k will always give you 1. I to power 4k plus 1 will always give you I. I to power 4k plus 2 will always give you minus 1. Okay, everyone? Everyone got this? Just raise your hand. Was it very difficult? If it is very difficult, just let me know. I'll explain again. No, right? All of you understood this now? Yes? Joel, Yashika, Varun, Suhas, Shujan, everyone is getting this? Okay, ठीक है. Let's solve some problems. First, the equation x square plus 4 is equal to 0. What is the answer? A or B? Very good, Snigdho, Priyanshu, Maurya. Easy? Easy now? Right? Very good, Pragna. So yes, the answer is no real solution, right? Because it may have ideal solution, sorry, imaginary solution. So x square is equal to -4. है ना? So what is the solution actually? Solution is, tell me what is the solution? 2i and -2i. Yes or no? Right? So we have these two solutions. So this is your imaginary solution. Yes, very good. 2i and -2i. Very good. Now, for the complex number 3 plus 2i, its imaginary part, tell me. Imaginary part is 2, just 2. See, just 2. Imaginary part is just 2. I, जिसे लिखते थे ना हम लोग, x I cap. So x component is just x. So here imaginary part is 2. Real part 3. Very good, very good. Easy? Now, if x is, find x, if x is, tell me. First one, x power 5. Third ka first? Yes, very good. I. Very good. I. Second one. Everyone, second one. Tell me. Second one. See, it's not two value. It's only one value, na? Just think about this. Root of 9 will give you what? Yes, Jaita. Very good. Right? Root of 3 will always give you 3. It will not give you -3. Got it? It will not give you -3. So root of -9 can be written as root of 9 into root of -1. Yes or no? Tell me. Zain, Shreya, just see this. Root of -9 can be written as root of 9 into root of -1. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes? Okay. What is root of 9? Root of 9 is 3 and root of -1 is I. So this is just 3i. Got it? It is just 3i. Now that's the thing, na? That's the thing. -3 square is equal to 9. That's true. That's true. But root of 9 is equal to only 3. भूल गए क्या? Right? Root can never have negative value. Yes or no? Right? Snigdho, root can never have negative value. भूल गए क्या? Right? Okay? So solved. Now third one. Everyone try to solve third one. Third one. Tell me. What's the answer of third one? Third ka third. Very good, Priyanshu. Easy. Everyone should reply. Snigdho, Pragna, very good. Sahi hai. Shreya, very good. Very good, very good. So the answer is 4, hai na? Because 3i will cancel. Same as real numbers, right? Fourth one. Tell me. Fourth one. Yes, very good, Priyanshu. Yes, Pragna, Snigdho, very good. Everyone should troll. Sneha, Neha, very good. Shreya, very good. Jaita, very good. ओमकार, वेरी गुड, सही है. इजी है ना? लग रहा है कि नहीं इजी? राइट? 2 3 ऐड होके 5 हो गया. 1 5 ऐड होके 6 हो गया, तो 6i. 5 plus 6i और 5 plus i6, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, जस्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. राइट? इजी? बताओ, इजी लग रहा है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? इजी है। चलो नाउ 1 तो हो जाएगा, ये सब हो जाएगा ना? टेल मी, z1 into z2 तो हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कर दिया, राइट? यस, वेरी गुड। दिस इज 2a, वेरी गुड। दिस इज 2ib, वेरी गुड। एंड दिस वी ऑलरेडी सॉल्व, है ना? a square plus b square, a square plus b square, very good। Last one is a square plus b square, very good, right? Okay, so we solved these. Next, question number 2, right? Question number 2, first is basic theory. Question number 2, easy? Tell me, question number 2. Very good, very good. So option, tell me. Yes, everyone, very good, right? Answer D, yes, yes, very good, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे। So proud of you guys, right? Second बताओ, चलो देखते किसको कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे समझ में आया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, एवरीवन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। Okay, I'm getting multiple answers. Just think about this. Let's see, right? 1, I square minus 1. Got it? I cube minus I. I6 is nothing but I square, right? Which is nothing but minus 1. Minus minus plus 1. 8 by 8 is again plus 1. Just think about this. 1 will get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1. So 2 minus I. That's the answer. A. Got it? Third का A. Third का A होगा, है ना? Got it everyone? Everyone got this? Yes? ठीक है? चलो, very good. Now fourth. Fourth is homework. दिमाग लगाना है तुम लोगों को, ठीक है? Now just think about this. I'm giving you a hint. If product of, or if the square of complex number is a complex number, then what will be the square root of a complex number? Tell me, what will be the square root of a complex number? Will it be complex number? Yes or no? It will be a complex number, right? So I can say that root of minus 2i, root of minus 2i. It is not possible to find root of minus 2i like this, है ना? ये क्या करेंगे, right? है ना? But we know that this should be a complex number, a plus ib. Yes or no? Right? This also should be a complex number, a plus ib. This is your hint. This is your hint. ठीक है? Okay? Right? Last question. Today's last question. Question number 6. Okay. No, not 6. 5 and 6 both. 4 is homework. 4 तुम लोग दिमाग लगाओ पहले. देखते कौन सॉल्व करता है. ठीक है? 4th घर पे आराम से दिमाग लगाओ. I have given you hint. Question number 5. Now just think about this. If you want to compare two complex number, obviously you will compare real part with real part and imaginary with imaginary. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Right? है ना? So the real part of this is 2x here. Yes, very good, Maurya, Snigdho. And here real part is 4. So it should be equal. Yes. So x is equal to 2. Very good, very good. And same way, this should also be equal to this. So x plus 2y should be equal to, yes, Jaita, very good. Snigdho, Maurya, 4. X, we already know, 2. So y should be equal to 1. Got it? Easy है कि नहीं? Yes, Pragna. Easy है कि नहीं? Okay. Last question. Today's last question. Question number 6. Okay. Question number 6. Can you solve question number 6? I just solve this. है ना? A plus IB, C plus ID. Right? So tell me, what is the answer? Question number 6. Everyone should solve. Everyone. Everyone should solve. ओके प्रियांशु स्निग्धो अलग अलग आंसर है तुम दोनों का चेक करो मौर्य आई नहीं होगा ना मल्टीप्लाई करके आई के अंदर आई नहीं होगा ओके यस जयिता स्निग्धो सही आंसर जयिता और स्निग्धो का सही आंसर अब तक सबको ही फिर से ट्राई करो यू शुड गेट करेक्ट आंसर ओके यस प्रियांशु सही है यस जाइम वेरी गुड सही है मोहित गलत हो गया सी आई विल सॉल्व डोंट वरी आई विल सॉल्व 1 into 1 1 1 into 3i plus 3i 2i into 1 plus 2i now 2i into 3i right plus 6i square yes or no tell me यहां तक सबको आया होगा yes or no यहां तक सबको आया now सुहान तुमने i स्क्वायर और i को सेम मान लिया वो गलत है ना i स्क्वायर इज नथिंग बट -1 so this is 1 plus 5i minus 6 got it right so this will be -5 plus 5i yes very good yes Marnika got it ठीक है everyone got this yes or no everyone got this right okay very good right so this was our first class of complex number I hope everyone understood everything Harsh you understood today why see 2i into 3i 2 into 3 6 I into I square what is the value of I square tell me what's the value of I square -1 no? Right so 6 into -1 is -6 got it okay okay Harshan समझ में आया so if anyone have any doubt just watch the video again ठीक है right okay okay thank you everyone I hope you learned something today something new and it was easy right and all of you studied not studied read the new education policy tell me how many of you read the new education policy yes very good it's actually very good okay समझ नहीं आया समझ लो ओमकार बहुत अच्छा है राइट तुम लोग 11th-12th में शायद नहीं हो बट कॉलेज में हो जाएगा ठीक है It is actually very, very, very good. I'm so happy about that. Everything will change. Okay, chalo. Okay, bye everyone. And most probably tomorrow you guys have holiday. Okay, school have given you holiday, right? Abhilash is like 2005 में born होने का regret हो रहा है. कोई नहीं. Okay, today also. Okay, ठीक है. So we will have holiday tomorrow or and on Monday. ठीक है. So you will have 3 days holiday. कल नहीं दिया क्या? कल भी छुट्टी है ना? Tomorrow is holiday. Yes or no? कल छुट्टी नहीं है. Seriously, tomorrow is not holiday. Tomorrow is Bakrid na. Tomorrow is Bakrid, right? It should be holiday. Okay, anyways, ठीक है. We will be giving holiday. Take some rest. Okay, try to revise everything. You guys should need a break. Okay, so tomorrow there won't be any class. Okay, tomorrow and Monday. So you will have 3 days long holiday. Okay, okay. Bye everyone. Electricity test, yes, Sunday, right? I'll unlock it. Okay, bye everyone.